What's up, family? What's up? Hello. Say hi, Prince. Say hi. Listen, I have been to Walgreens. And I don't go to Walgreens that often. Like, I'm like more in love with CVS than Walgreens. And Walgreens with this coupon item ratio, that just absolutely kills you. Look how many of these ramen noodles I have, and I like chicken. If I'm going to eat ramen noodles, I need chicken flavor, not beef. And they didn't have chicken. They only had beef. They had one chicken and the rest of it was beef. So I ended up with 2, 4, 6, 7 of these things, trying to do the coupon ratio, whatever. It wouldn't take my coupons, which was crazy. So on the Chex Mix, I only had 2 50-cent coupons. On the Scope from the P&G, I had $1.50 off of each one of those. I had $1 off of this Lysol, $1 off of 2, and these are on sale for $1.99. These are 2 for $6, giving you a $3 register reward. I had a 75-cent coupon for both of them. So it took $1.50 off of the $6. What's that? $4 and some change, and gave me back $3. So basically, I paid about 75 cents, I think, for that. And then I don't know. I haven't seen anybody talking about these because I guess everybody was when they were getting them free, but they're not always free. So what we got? They're 4 for $5.